and today we're watching some really weird music videos. Oops. So the first one is Man Boobs. Thank you for Josh for showing me this, so I can make a video on it. So yes, I think once he watches it, he's probably going to do one in his channel. So, Josh, if you're watching this, do one. I want to see. And make sure I'm only going to do 2. Sorry guys, 2. So if there's any like ones that I've missed out, make sure you go and put it in the comments, and I'll put Josh's YouTube name in the description, so make sure you go and check him out and subscribe to him. So let's watch this. I might have to cover some bits up. Man boob. Okay, let's just cover the bit up. Just count yourself in. They don't know what he's staring at. Man boobs. Oh God. Sorry, trying to eat my hand. It's trying to eat my hand. Ooh, that's so weird. Okay, so cut to that, and let me go. Let me see. Nope. Nope. This is like my favourite song so far. Josh, if you probably know this, I sing it all day. Okay guys, what's going on? It's raining tacos from the sky. Tacos. You don't ask why. Go in your eyes and close your eyes. It's raining tacos, raining tacos. And make sure in the comments below to tell me if you like tacos or not. This is so weird. Rainy tacos. Yum, 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 yum. And thank you, Shannon, for getting this song stuck in my head. It's so annoying. Yum, yum, yum. And Josh, you probably know. That's a lot of cheese. Look. Reg, you would probably like that, Tucker. You love cheese. And I'll put her YouTube channel in below. So go check that out. Tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. Okay, that's enough. So I'm actually going to do a room tour in a minute, so make sure you go check that out. It's going to upload it now. So one's called Raining Tacos, if you want to go watch this like for 10 hours. Oh my god, I didn't see that. Guys, look, 10 freaking hours. And it's called Man Boobs, if you want to watch the other one. And I'll see you all later.